Imagine waking up one day feeling stronger, lighter, and more energized, as if your body had hit a reset button overnight. Not only science, but ancient wisdom also agree that these 7 longevity exercises that I'm about to reveal to you can rewire your muscles, boost circulation, and restore youth faster than you can ever think were possible. Let's dive straight into it. Longevity exercise number 1, Tai Chi, the ancient secret to balance and longevity. Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice that looks like slow-motion martial arts. But don't let its gentle movements fool you. This low-impact exercise changes your body in ways that regular workouts don't. Every controlled motion strengthens your legs, core, and joints, improving balance and flexibility, critical for staying mobile as you get older. More importantly, Tai Chi works on your mind-body connection. The slow, flowing movements force your brain to stay focused, sharpening coordination and reducing the risk of falls by up to 50%, according to research. This is life-changing for seniors because falls are one of the biggest causes of injury and sometimes death. But the thing is, Tai Chi doesn't just protect your body, it calms your mind. It lowers stress hormones, improves breathing, and enhances circulation, leaving you feeling lighter, more relaxed, and more in control of your body. There are a lot of free classes online that you can join for free. Just 10 minutes a day can transform your movement and energy. For some reason, exercise number 2, dead hangs, might just be the most underrated exercise for longevity, because it is usually as simple as grabbing a bar and letting your body hang. But the benefits are life-changing. When you hang, your entire upper body engages. Your shoulders stretch and strengthen, preventing stiffness and injuries. Your spine naturally decompresses, relieving back pain and improving posture. And your grip? It gets a massive boost, which is crucial for daily tasks like carrying groceries or opening jars. And the amazing thing is, science backs this up. Studies show that hanging increases joint mobility, reducing the risk of arthritis and improving overall movement. NASA even found that grip strength is directly linked to longevity. Stronger hands mean a stronger body. If you want healthier shoulders, a pain-free back, and an iron grip, start hanging for 30 seconds a day and increase the time as you improve. Over time, your body will feel lighter, looser, and more powerful than ever. Exercise number 3, swimming, the ultimate longevity exercise. Swimming is one of the most powerful and effective exercises for longevity. Unlike running or weightlifting, swimming puts almost zero stress on your joints while activating every single muscle in your body. This makes it the perfect workout, especially for older adults or anyone dealing with joint pain. The reason swimming is so effective is water resistance. Every movement forces your muscles to work harder without the risk of injury. This strengthens your heart, lungs, and muscles all at once. Studies show that swimming reduces inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and improves lung capacity, helping your body feel and stay young longer than 90% of the population. For people with arthritis or back pain, swimming is a game changer. The buoyancy of water supports your body, relieving pressure while still providing an intense workout. Whether you're doing laps or just floating and moving, swimming rewires your body for strength, endurance, and long-term health. Longevity exercise number 4, farmer's walk. The farmer's walk is one of the simplest yet most powerful exercises you can do. All it takes is picking up a weight in each hand and walking, but don't let the simplicity trick you. This ancient strongman training builds grip strength, core stability, posture, and full body endurance like nothing else. It's almost unbelievable, but your grip strength is directly linked to your longevity, as studies show. Why? Because it reflects total body strength and muscle health, which help prevent falls, fractures, and even cognitive decline. The farmer's walk also strengthens your bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis by putting stress on them in a healthy way. Plus, it forces perfect posture. Your core, shoulders, and back must work together to stay upright. 30 seconds a day is a perfect start that can dramatically improve your strength, balance, and endurance, keeping you strong and independent for life. Exercise number 5, rebounding. I want you to imagine this. Imagine an exercise so powerful that NASA uses it to train astronauts, yet so simple that anyone, even seniors, can do it at home. NASA discovered that rebounding is 68% more effective than running to improve cardiovascular health. The constant gravity shifts strengthen every cell, making your bones denser and muscles stronger. Here's why it works. Unlike running, which stresses your joints, rebounding is low impact yet incredibly effective. Every bounce activates your entire body, improving balance, coordination, and joint stability. More importantly, it supercharges your lymphatic system, the body's built-in detox system, helping flush out toxins, waste, and excess fluids. Even just 5 minutes a day can leave you feeling lighter, stronger, and more energized. Number 6 on our list is Qigong, the one ancient secret to lifelong vitality. Qigong is an ancient Chinese practice that combines slow, flowing movements with deep breathing and focused meditation. It might look simple, but its effects on the body are profound. By moving gently and breathing deeply, Qigong opens up circulation, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach every cell. Unlike Tai Chi, which focuses more on core strength and flexibility, this means better energy, faster healing, and a stronger heart. It also expands lung capacity, helping you breathe more deeply and efficiently, something that naturally declines with age. Studies show that Qigong lowers stress hormones, improves heart health, and boosts the immune system, making your body more resilient to illness and aging. The best part? It's easy, low impact, and safe for all ages. Just a few minutes a day can relieve stiffness, sharpen your mind, and restore youthful energy. If you want better health with almost no effort, Qigong is your answer. Longevity exercise number 7, walking backward, the ancient secret to bulletproof knees and perfect posture. Most people think the only way to stay fit is to walk forward. But what if I told you that walking backward could be the missing key to unlocking stronger knees, perfect posture, and better balance? This ancient practice, used for centuries in China and Japan, is now backed by modern science, proving that a simple shift in how you walk can have instant effects on your body. Let me break it down. First, let's talk about posture. When you walk forward, especially if you have bad habits like slouching, you're constantly reinforcing poor alignment. Your shoulders rounded forward, your lower back might arch, and your knees take unnecessary impact. But when you walk backward, your body has to naturally correct itself. Your spine straightens, your core muscles engage, and your shoulders pull back to keep you balanced. The result? Better posture within minutes. And the more you do it, the more permanent these changes become. Now let's talk about your knees. If you've ever experienced knee pain, stiffness, or weakness, walking backward could be the best natural rehabilitation tool you've never tried. Here's why. When you walk forward, your knees absorb a lot of impact, especially if you have bad form or joint issues. But when you walk backward, you reverse the movement pattern, activating underused muscles like your quadriceps and stabilizers, which provide better support to your knees. In fact, studies show that walking backward can reduce knee pain and even help with conditions like osteoarthritis, all without needing expensive therapy or surgery. How to start and see instant results. Find a safe, open space with a flat surface. Start by walking slowly and controlled, keeping your steps light and balanced. Swing your arms naturally to keep momentum. Once you're comfortable, increase speed or even try it on a treadmill. Remember to set a slow pace at first. Within just a few days, you'll notice better knee strength, improved balance, and a taller, more confident posture. And if you stick with it, you're building a body that moves smarter, stronger, and pain-free for years to come. Remember, if this video helped you in any way, share it with the people you care about to ensure they get the same benefits.